India has always been fascinated by space. Our space program, ISRO, has done amazing things, from launching satellites to exploring the Moon and Mars. Now, ISRO is starting a new adventure, a really important mission called SPADEx. SPADEx, which is short for Space Docking Experiment, is a huge step for India's space program. It shows how much ISRO wants to improve our technology. With SPADEx, India will be one of the few countries that can connect spacecraft in space. This exciting mission will make India even better at space exploration and open up lots of new possibilities. The whole world is watching as ISRO gets ready for this groundbreaking mission. SPADEx isn't just about connecting two spacecraft. It's about connecting India's dreams with the universe. It shows our skill, our cleverness, and how much we want to learn about space. Imagine two spacecraft in space, moving closer and closer until they connect perfectly. That's what SPADEx is all about, a carefully planned dance of technology happening millions of miles away. SPADEx is about learning how to bring two spacecraft together while they're zooming through space. But SPADEx is more than just a cool technology trick. It's a big change in how India thinks about space. This mission helps us achieve bigger dreams, like building our own space station, going farther into our solar system, and maybe even traveling to the stars someday. SPADEx will change lots of things about space exploration. It will help us fix satellites in space, build big things in space, and do more complicated missions with other countries. SPADEx is setting the stage for India to become a leader in space. The SPADEx mission has some important goals that will change the future of space exploration. This mission is a significant step forward for India, showcasing its growing capabilities in the space sector. The main goal is to show that India can connect spacecraft in space all on its own. This is a monumental achievement, demonstrating the country's technological prowess and independence in space operations. This means two spacecraft called the Chaser and the Target will meet and connect automatically while traveling super fast. This autonomous docking is a complex maneuver that requires precise calculations and advanced technology. SPADEx will also test important technologies for future missions, like controlling the spacecraft's position, moving it in orbit, and ensuring it can perform these tasks reliably. These technologies are crucial for the success of long-duration space missions, and using special sensors to navigate. These sensors will help the spacecraft determine its exact location and orientation in space, which is vital for docking and other maneuvers. The mission will test these technologies in the harsh environment of space, so we can use them for even bigger missions later. The extreme conditions of space will push these technologies to their limits, ensuring they are robust and reliable. What we learn from SPADEx will be very helpful for future missions like Chandrayaan-4, which will bring back samples from the Moon, providing valuable scientific data and insights, and Gaganyaan, which will send Indian astronauts into space. This mission will mark a historic milestone for India, as it will be the first time Indian astronauts travel to space on an Indian spacecraft. Connecting spacecraft is important for these missions because we'll need to connect different parts of spacecraft, move astronauts and supplies, and ensure the smooth operation of space stations and other structures, and do complicated things in space. These tasks require precision and coordination, and the technologies tested in SPADEx will be essential for their success. SPADEx is a crucial part of India's big plan for space exploration. It represents a bold step towards achieving self-reliance in space technology and paves the way for future missions that will further cement India's position as a major player in the global space community. The SPADEx mission shows how good ISRO is at engineering. There are two special spacecraft called the Chaser and the Target. These spacecraft, which weigh about 440 pounds each, have advanced navigation systems, engines, and communication tools, all designed for this mission. The Chaser will follow and connect with the Target spacecraft. It will make small movements to match the target's speed and path perfectly. The target will stay in one place and help the Chaser connect. The mission is tricky because the spacecraft connect automatically. Computers on the spacecraft will guide the Chaser to the target very precisely. This shows how good ISRO is at making computer programs and reliable systems for space. Everyone is excited. As we get closer to the SPADEx launch, the Satish Dhawan Space Center is busy. Scientists and engineers are making final preparations. This is a big moment for them after all their hard work. December 30th, 2024, 9:58 p.m. ST. This is a date to remember. The PSLV-C-60 rocket, a symbol of India's space program, will launch into the night sky carrying the SPADEx spacecraft. People all over India and the world will watch as the rocket goes up carrying the SPADEx spacecraft on their mission. Everyone is waiting to see the SPADEx spacecraft separate from the rocket and start their journey. Now the mission is controlled by the spacecraft's computers and the team on Earth. Everyone in India is hopeful and proud as SPADEx begins its historic mission. SPADEx is a big deal on its own, but it also represents a bigger vision for India's space program. This mission is not just about the technology, it's about the future of space exploration for the entire nation. The things we learn from this mission will help us do even more amazing things in space. From scientific experiments to new technologies, the knowledge gained will be invaluable. Being able to connect spacecraft automatically opens up many new possibilities for ISRO. This capability is crucial for future missions that require precision and reliability. One important benefit of SPADEx is that it will help with India's Gaganyaan human spaceflight program. This program aims to send Indian astronauts into space, marking a significant milestone. Connecting spacecraft is essential for Gaganyaan because it lets us move astronauts safely to and from the spacecraft. This ensures their safety and the success of the mission. What we learn from SPADEx will also help us design and build space stations in the future, where connecting spacecraft will be a normal thing. This will pave the way for long-term space habitation, where connecting spacecraft will be a normal thing. This will enable continuous human presence in space, fostering new opportunities for research and exploration. SPADEx will also help with robotic missions. These missions can perform tasks that are too dangerous or complex for humans, expanding our capabilities in space. Being able to connect spacecraft parts in space means we can build large telescopes, which will allow us to see further into the universe than ever before. Put complex science tools in space, enabling groundbreaking research and discoveries that can benefit all of humanity, and even build things for future space activities. This includes habitats for astronauts, research facilities, and more. SPADEx is a stepping stone for India to become a major player in space. It signifies the beginning of a new era of space exploration and innovation for the country. SPADEx is a proud moment for India and a big deal for the world. It represents a significant milestone in India's journey towards becoming a major player in space exploration. The successful execution of SPADEx demonstrates India's growing capabilities and ambitions in the realm of space technology. India is now one of only a few countries, the United States, Russia and China, that can connect spacecraft in space. This achievement places India in an elite group of nations with advanced space capabilities, showcasing its technological prowess and strategic vision. This shows how important India is in space exploration and how much we want to learn more about science. The dedication and hard work of Indian scientists and engineers are paving the way for new discoveries and innovations in space technology. SPADEx shows the world that India has great technology and can build complex space systems on its own. This self-reliance is crucial for India's long-term goals in space exploration and for fostering a culture of innovation and excellence. This is important for working with other countries in space. International collaboration opens up new opportunities for joint missions, shared knowledge, and mutual growth in the field of space exploration. As India becomes a leader in space, we can work with other countries on missions that will help everyone. These collaborations can lead to groundbreaking discoveries and advancements that benefit all of humanity. SPADEx shows how clever humans are and how much we all want to explore. It highlights the ingenuity and determination of scientists and engineers who strive to push the boundaries of what is possible. As India continues to do amazing things in space, it encourages kids to dream big and learn about the universe. Inspiring the next generation of scientists and explorers is essential for the future of space exploration. SPADEx is a win for everyone, showing how much we all want to learn and explore the unknown. It is a testament to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that drives us to reach for the stars. SPADEx created by India's smart scientists, shows how innovative and determined our country is. This mission, a symbol of India's technology, will take us into a new era of space exploration with lots of exciting possibilities. We are about to start this historic mission, and everyone is excited and proud. SPADEx is more than a mission, it's a message. It's a message from a billion people, a message to the universe that India is a leader in space exploration. This mission represents the dreams of many scientists, engineers and technicians who worked hard to make it happen. The SPADEx spacecraft carry the hopes and dreams of India. If this mission is successful, it will be a huge step for India's space program and will inspire future generations to be creative and explore space. SPADEx shows what India can do when we aim for the stars.